I'd say just go for it. Just get stuck in. It's worth a go. It's a bit of a shame I didn't do it earlier, really. It was pretty lackluster. We were sort of just going to work every day and just coming home. There weren't really any business development. There was no progression, and it was just a bit stagnant. I knew it weren't quite what I wanted, but I wasn't sure what I wanted at the time either. So it was a definite godsend. It was straight from the off, really. It gave us a list of things that, what do we want out of life? And we went through it, and we knew that doing the same thing every day, it just wasn't going to happen. So then we created a list of different things that we can do to raise profit margins, grow the company. We've definitely got a vision for the next 5-10 years, long-term goals as well, which are really exciting. It is very important. I'm the sort of guy where if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. And when you, especially even with like fitness and stuff like that, having a PT is just so important to me. It's the same sort of thing as having a therapist, a PT, business coach, any sort of mentoring in life. It's always better to be held accountable, because I think it's just human nature to stray. Yeah, first month was mega. Made loads of changes. Really, we went through a list of things on the pyramid, what needs to be done that wasn't being done, especially with finances and forecasting and stuff like that. Really basic things that weren't being done, which are just impeccable to the business flourishing, really. We're seeing growth within the workforce that we have, growth within their happiness as well, my happiness, other directors' happiness, and also growing with profit margins, turnover, the amount of vans that we have, office spaces. We're turning over 100% more turnover than we were before, and it's been 8 months. It's very exciting. Yeah, it's very exciting. It's nice to have a clear vision of what you want out of life. My missus reckons I'm a lot more grown up, which is brilliant. And they all think I'm doing pretty well. They're very proud.